Blimey, I thought it was going to be easy. Every time I do a job, everything seems to go wrong. At long last, my Vance Hines slip-ons have arrived, so before we fit them, let's just hear how quiet the standard stock pipes are. I've got a little app for my phone which can measure decibels. I don't know how good it is, but it's better than nothing. Okay, that's the ambient sound. Let's start her up. Okay, we're on about 89 decibels, 90. Me speaking's louder, to be honest. Let's give it some welly. That went up to 117.6. That sounds quite loud, doesn't it? Anyway, let's see what it's like with the slip-ons on. All we need to do is undo those, undo, where's it gone? That, and undo that to get the stock mufflers off. So let's have a go at that right now. Okie dokie, well that's come off nice and easily. Let's just take the camera off the tripod, and there we are. That's what it looks like. A bit sooty, need to go a bit faster I think. And that's the stock pipe, and you can't see through it at all, not a thing. While everything's off, I'm going to have a quick clean up and then we'll fit the slip-ons. Okay, everything's cleaned up now. I'm going to wash the grease off my hands and then we can fit the slip-ons. Okay, the difference here is obvious. Look, you can, get out of the way, you can see right through these, and that's going to sound so much better. It's going to let the bike rev much more freely. We want to fit the bottom one with the Vance Hines logo because you won't see it with the saddlebags in the way. Saddlebags. It comes with its own little brackets here. Okay, for the bottom one we want the nut to be hanging downwards, like that. I need to loosen it a bit first. quite tight, I must say. Jesus Christ. I think I need to go to the gym a bit more often. I only go 5 times a week. This is way tighter than I thought it would be, so I'm almost there, but I've been pushing and shoving, so I'll keep pushing and shoving and then film again once it's on. Shit, man. Oh, fuck. Cross-threaded the motherfucker. Shit. Oh god, at long last I've got this to go in now, and slightly messed up the nut, but it's not cross-threaded, so just extremely tight. And I was obviously helping to push the exhaust pipe in at the same time, but it's a bloody tight fit. Before we do that, look at the pipes side by side. Look at the difference in diameter. Length, can you see that? But the weight, I mean, this is nearly twice the weight, so big difference there. On we go. Please fit. Please, oh shit, bracket. Okay, so we want to make sure there's no fingerprints on, because when you start the bike and it warms up, whatever's on there stays on there. So I thought I could just push this on with my little finger, but boy oh boy, has that been a flipping hard work. Good job I didn't go to the gym today. So let's get all the finger marks and grease off, give it a lovely polish, then we'll put the other pipe on. Whew. Right, this time the bracket faces up so you can get to the nut. And please fit, you bastard. Let's have a look. I've got a good feeling about this. This better sound good after all this. Done. Oh, flip. Oop, right, let's give this a polish. Okay, now we're all done. Let's see what it sounds like. It better be good after all that. Here goes. Ooh, decibels meter. Let's get this on. Hang on, come on, app. Hang on. Right, let's have a go. Yeah. Go away. Right, ready? .9, 104, that's on tick over. That's a bit better. That's really deep. Let's give it a little bit of revs. Yeah, nice. That went up to 118. That was just a little blip. Much deeper. I didn't want it to be too loud. This is actually perfect. So let's have a little ride down the road, see what it sounds like on the road. Wow, I'm impressed. it sounds really nice. It's got a lovely deep rumble. When you shut the throttle off, it's got a lovely... So, no, I'm really pleased with that. I think it's got a nice sound. It's not too loud, but when you rev it, it's blinking loud. And as I said, when you throttle off, it's got a lovely rumble. Yeah, I'm thinking it's going to be great. So I'm going to do some more videos with the pipe on later on, and I'll put those on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. More to come.